Thinking about teaching in China in 2026. Here's the real picture. Teaching jobs in China still pay well compared to many other countries, and the cost of living is low enough to enjoy a comfortable lifestyle. In recent years, it's also become easier for foreigners to live and work in China, with simpler visa options and super convenient daily life. Groceries, meals, and online orders can arrive in minutes. Public transport is cheap and reliable, and most cities are designed to be walkable. China is also considered very safe, even at night, and locals are generally curious and welcoming toward foreigners. Teachers, in particular, are shown a lot of respect in the classroom. Add in generous vacation time, sometimes up to 4 months a year, and you'll have plenty of opportunities to travel across China or to nearby countries like Japan, Korea, and Thailand. But there are some challenges. The job market isn't as open as it once was, since the government has reduced English training centers. Career growth is limited for foreign teachers, and handling paperwork like banking, renting, or setting up services can be frustrating without a Chinese ID. Still, teaching in China can be a life-changing experience. You'll earn well, travel widely, and gain a new perspective on culture, independence, and growth. If you're ready to embrace both the pros and the cons, teaching in China in 2026 could be one of the most rewarding choices you'll ever make.